Imagine harvesting juicy watermelons, so many that you earn record profits this summer. But is it truly possible to achieve a yield of 240 quintals of watermelon from just 1 acre? Many farmers think this is just a dream. However, with the right scientific approach, this incredible yield is not only possible but also achievable for dedicated farmers. In this video, we will unlock the secrets to maximizing your watermelon cultivation. You will learn about selecting the perfect soil, choosing high-yielding varieties, optimal sowing techniques, balanced fertilizer application, and effective pest management. This comprehensive guide will equip you with knowledge to transform your farming practices. By adopting our scientific package of practice, you can significantly boost your watermelon production. Picture your fields full of large, sweet, and blemish-free fruits. This means higher market prices, reduced crop loss, and ultimately, a substantial increase in your farming income. Get ready to cultivate success. Arka Manak is a popular open-pollinated variety developed by IIHR, Bangalore, known for its strong performance. With excellent management, open-pollinated varieties like Arka Manak can deliver yields ranging from 40 to 60 tons per hectare. This impressive output translates to approximately 160 to 240 quintals per acre, making it a highly profitable choice for farmers. It is crucial to choose varieties that suit your specific region and market demands for best results. Watermelon is a highly remunerative crop for Indian farmers, especially during the summer months. Its refreshing taste and high water content make it a favorite in the market. Adopting a scientific package of practice ensures you achieve optimal yields and superior fruit quality. This comprehensive approach helps maximize profitability by reducing risks and optimizing resource use, leading to greater income. Choosing the correct watermelon variety is absolutely paramount for profitable cultivation. Your variety selection directly impacts yield potential, fruit quality, sweetness, and disease resistance. Popular open-pollinated varieties include Arka Manik, Pusa Bedna, Sugar Baby, and Durgapura Kesar. For higher yields and better disease resistance, consider hybrids like NS295, Kiran, Mahalakshmi, or Madhuri, although they have a higher initial seed cost. Watermelon thrives in specific climate conditions. It demands warm, sunny weather to grow optimally. The ideal temperature range for its robust growth is between 25 and 35 degrees Celsius. This crop is extremely sensitive to frost, which can cause significant damage and yield loss. Therefore, ensure cultivation only when the danger of frost has completely subsided, promoting vigorous plant development. For successful watermelon cultivation, well-drained sandy loam-to-loam soils are highly recommended. These soils should be rich in organic matter to support healthy plant growth. The optimum soil pH level for watermelons is between 6.0 and 7.0. It is crucial to avoid heavy clay soils, as they are prone to waterlogging, which can lead to root rot and severely hinder crop development and yield. Selecting the right open-pollinated variety is key for good yields. Sugar Baby, for instance, is a well-known open-pollinated variety that is popular among Indian farmers. While specific fruit size and yield per acre vary greatly depending on local conditions and management, choosing varieties like Sugar Baby, Pusa Bedna, or Durgapura Kesar can provide good returns. Always consider overall yield potential, local market preference, and disease resistance when making your choice. When selecting a variety, consider those that are well adapted to your local environment. While the source mentions varieties like Arka Manak and Sugar Baby, there are many other popular open-pollinated types like Pusa Bedna and Durgapura Kesar available. These varieties are chosen for their specific growth habits, fruit characteristics, and adaptability to various regions. Always prioritize those known for good performance and market acceptance in your area. Arka Manak is an exceptional open-pollinated watermelon variety developed by IIHR, Bangalore. It offers high yield potential, reaching up to 60 tons per hectare, which can be around 240 quintals per acre with efficient farming practices. While the source does not explicitly mention its specific disease resistance, selecting varieties with good overall resilience is always a smart strategy. Its reliability makes it a strong choice for many Indian farmers aiming for high productivity. Timing your sowing correctly is vital for watermelon success. For the main summer crop, The ideal sowing window is typically February to March, ensuring the danger of frost has passed completely. In some regions, an early crop can be planted between October and November. Always adjust your planting schedule to align with local climate conditions and to avoid late frosts or extreme heat during critical growth stages. For direct seeding, a seed rate of 3 to 4 kilograms per hectare is recommended for open-pollinated varieties, while hybrid varieties require a lower rate of 1 to 1.5 kilograms per hectare. When planting, maintain a spacing of 2.0 to 2.5 meters between rows and 0.6 to 1.0 meter between plants using the pit method. For the furrow method, space furrows 2.5 to 3.0 meters apart, with plants 0.6 to 0.9 meters apart on one side of the furrow. Effective nutrient management begins with a strong organic base. During the final plowing, incorporate 20 to 25 tons of well-decomposed farmyard manure or compost per hectare. This organic matter is crucial for improving soil structure, enhancing water retention, and boosting overall soil fertility. It provides a steady release of nutrients, creating an optimal environment for healthy watermelon root development and vigorous plant growth. For chemical fertilizers, apply 60 kilograms of phosphorus, P2O5, and 60 kilograms of potassium, K2O, per hectare as a basal dose at planting. Nitrogen should be applied in split doses. Apply 30 to 40 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare as basal. Then, provide the remaining nitrogen in two equal splits, 30 to 40 kilograms per hectare at the vining stage, approximately 20 to 25 days after sowing, and another 30 to 40 kilograms per hectare at the fruit setting stage, around 40 to 45 days after sowing. Watermelon plants are extremely sensitive to frost and extreme cold temperatures. Even a light frost can cause significant damage to the leaves and young fruits, severely impacting the crop's health and potential yield. This sensitivity makes proper sowing time crucial. Ensure you plant only when the weather is consistently warm and sunny, with temperatures ideally between 25 and 35 degrees Celsius, to protect your crop from cold-induced stress. Avoid cultivating watermelon in heavy clay soils. These soil types are prone to waterlogging, which creates an anaerobic environment detrimental to root health. Poor drainage can lead to root rot, stunted plant growth, and ultimately, significantly smaller fruits and drastically reduced yields. Well-drained sandy loam-to-loam soils, rich in organic matter, are essential for robust root development and optimal fruit production. Implementing a scientific package of practice for watermelon cultivation is your pathway to higher profits. By focusing on the right variety, optimal soil conditions, precise nutrient application, and timely management, you ensure superior fruit quality and maximize your yields. Follow these expert recommendations to cultivate watermelons that fetch excellent market prices and boost your farming income significantly. Please like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to the AgriPlus channel.